Hi, I am Shinoy. I have completed data analytic course from Oxford Global Academy of Excellence. This course was an eye-opener to me. The instructor expertise and teaching was exceptional. The content was up to date and practical exercise was challenging. The course has given me the skill I need to pursue a career in data analytic field. The course was very well structured and instructor's guidance was valuable. Currently, I am working in an IT company as a junior analytics specialist. All thanks goes to Oxford Academy of Excellence and their endless support and facilities. So I definitely want to recommend to those whoever wants to learn this course must join Oxford Global Academy of Excellence without searching any other institute. Thank you so much.